Hey, at Pro Air Conditioning, we've got an amazing special. All you have to do is just to remember this password. Drive cool, all windows closed. If your car aircon is not working right now and you come to Pro Air and you say that password, that entitles you to an amazing discount. Usually, we charge $70 to get your car regassed, but if you come through, say that, we will get your car regassed at an amazing $40. Drive cool, all windows closed. This promotion is valid until the 4th of March, so tell your friends to tell your friends, especially those who ain't driving cool, to come through to Pro Air, and we will make the weather behave in their car. Remember, drive cool, all windows closed.